Amazing 4-bedroom, 4-bath home on a large lot in Northwest Bradenton. Properties like this are hard to find. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac. Charming front porch area adds to the curb appeal of this home. Floor plan is well thought out and offers formal living room, dining room and large family room with French doors leading out back. Kitchen is a nice size and offers a eat-in area. Retreat to your master suite, which is ample size with a walk-in closet. The master bathroom is light and bright with French doors, dual sinks and a jacuzzi tub. The private fenced-in backyard allows for maximum privacy and plenty of room for a pool. Open patio perfect for seating area and grilling out. Home has a gas generator. No deed restrictions. Great Northwest Bradenton location near to schools, shopping and public boat ramp on the Manatee River. Anna Maria Island beaches are a short drive away, as well as Robinson Preserve, Desoto Memorial, and Palma Sola Botanical Gardens.